Hi, what a wonderful day to start our lesson. Welcome to Cookery 9 class. So before we start, let us have first a short prayer to be led by Raincheska.
Thank you, Raincheska.
Okay, so once again, I would like to greet everybody good morning. So I am your teacher for today. I am Teacher Lori, and I will be your teacher for Cookery 9 class. So before I forgot, have you eaten your breakfast? Okay, very good. And I hope that everybody is in comfortable and quiet place. Okay, so let us now check your attendance, class monitor, who are absent for today. Okay, so nobody is absent. Everybody is here to listen to our discussion. Before we start our lesson, I want to remind everybody to listen to teacher with understanding till the end of the lesson and participate actively in the discussion. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Okay, so before we proceed, let us have first a review of our topic last meeting. Anybody from the group? Okay, Raincheska. Okay, very good. Okay, so our topic last meeting is all about the types of dessert. Okay, so what are the types of dessert? Okay, anybody from the group who can give an example of type of dessert? Okay, Russell. Very good. Frozen desserts is one of the example of type of desserts. Okay? Any other answer? Okay, Luis. Okay, very good. So, gelatin dessert is also a type of dessert. Okay? So, aside from the types of dessert, what was our topic last meeting? Okay, Christian. Okay, very good. So, the tools and equipments in preparing desserts. Okay, so what are the example of the tools and equipment that is used in making desserts? Okay, Christelle. Okay, very good. Mixing bowl is one of the tools that is used in preparing dessert. So, any other answer? Okay, Russell? Okay, very good. So, rubber scraper is also used in preparing desserts. So, what about the equipment? Is there any equipment used in preparing desserts? Oh, yes. So, what is it? Anybody from the group? Okay. Rosalie? Yes. Okay, so freezer and chiller is used in preparing desserts. Okay, aside from that. Okay, Danmelin? Okay, so gas stove is also used in preparing desserts. Okay, so aside from the tools, equipment used in preparing desserts, what was our topic last meeting? Okay, Ayumi? Okay, so the different ingredients used in preparing desserts. Okay, so can you give example of ingredients used in preparing desserts? Okay, Luis? Okay, very good. So, sugar is the main ingredients kasi the desserts are mostly sweet. Okay? So, the primary ingredients used in preparing desserts is sugar. Okay? So, we can also use condensed milk to sweeten our desserts. Okay, so I think everybody is listening last meeting because everybody answers it correctly. Okay, everybody remembers our topic last meeting. So before we proceed, I have prepared here an activity which is for pick one word. So I think everybody knows this game. Okay? Is everybody knows this game? Okay, very good. So here is the instruction. Each level displays 4 pictures.
Linked by one word.
First aim is to work out what the word is from the set of letters given below the pictures. Okay, are you ready? Okay, very good. Everybody's ready. Okay, so let us now have the level 1. Okay, so there is a sugar, a candy, a couple, and the word sweet. Okay, so what do you think is the word? Anybody from the group? Okay, Ayumi. Okay, so let us see if your answer is correct. Okay, your answer is correct. It is dessert. Okay, so let us now move on to level 2. Okay, so there is a scoop of sugar, a couple, a sweet couple, a cake, and an aunt. What do you think is the word? Anybody from the group? Okay, Russell. Okay, so let us see if your answer is correct. Okay, so the answer is sweet. Okay, so it means that your answer is correct. Okay, so let us move on to level 3. There is a cover of a can, an easy open can, a boy that is lying on a chair, the word easy, and the time and money, which means that to save time. So what do you think is the answer? Anybody from the group? Okay, Christelle, what is your answer? Okay, so let us see if your answer is correct. Charan, okay, so it is easy. So it means that your answer is correct. Okay, so let us move on to level 4. So there is an emoji, a girl, a cake, and yum yum. What do you think is it? Okay, anybody from the group? Okay, Luis, what is your answer? Okay, so let us see if your answer is correct. Charan. Okay, so it is delicious. Okay, so it means that your answer is correct. Okay, so thank you for your participation with our game. Okay, so what do you think is our topic for today? So there is a dessert, there is, the word is sweet, the word is easy, the word is delicious. So what do you think is our topic for today? Okay, anybody from the group who can guess our topic for today? Yumi? Okay, so those words that we formed from the game, which is the perfect one word, so we're going to make dessert that is simple, sweet, and delicious. So what do you think is this dessert? Anybody? Okay. Is it a cake? Is it a custard cake? Is it a frozen desserts? Or is it a gelatin desserts? Okay, so What do you think from those desserts is easy to prepare? Okay, Luis. Okay, so gelatin dessert is easiest to prepare. Okay, so for today, we're gonna make a gelatin dessert. Okay, so we will focus on the gelatin dessert, which is the mango panna cotta. Okay, I hope that you will enjoy this video. Okay, so before we proceed to our demonstration, I will give you the objectives of this lesson. Okay, so number 1, identify the tools and equipment in preparing the mango panna cotta. Number 2, learn the step-by-step procedure in preparing panna cotta. Number 3, appreciate the value of acquiring the knowledge and skills in preparing panna cotta. So, those are the objectives of our activity for today. I hope that it is clear to everyone. Okay? So let us now proceed with the demonstration proper. Okay, so before that, I want you to list down the tools and equipment used in preparing the mango panna cotta and the ingredients used in preparing the mango panna cotta and the step-by-step procedure in preparing the desserts. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, very good. So, let us now start the demonstration. Okay, are you excited? Very good. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let us now proceed with the demonstration. So today we're gonna make a mango panna cotta. It is one of the example of desserts, the gelatin desserts. Okay, so before we start, I want to remind you to wear your PPE or the personal protective equipment. Okay, so you have to wear your apron to protect you from any spill, and you have to wear your hairnet to protect your hair from falling, and you can also wear gloves if necessary. Okay, so before we proceed, I want you to take down note of the tools, equipment, and ingredients used in preparing the mango panna cotta. And also, I want you to analyze the step-by-step procedure in making the mango panna cotta. So, let us now proceed. I will introduce to you the tools and equipment used in making the mango panna cotta. Okay, so the first one is the casserole. It is used for cooking. And then we have here the knife. It is used for slicing the mango if you want it cube. And then the next one is the wooden spoon for stirring. And then the chopping board for chopping. And then we have here the measuring cups for dry ingredients for measuring the sugar. And then we have here the measuring spoon to measure the small amount of the gelatin powder. And then we have here the liquid measuring cup in order for you to measure the liquid ingredients like milk and water. And then we have here the mixing bowl for the ingredients. And then we also have here the salad cup for serving. And we also have the equipments in preparing the panna cotta. We have the gas stoves, and we can also use the electric stove and also the refrigerator or the chiller. Okay, so let us now proceed with the ingredients used in preparing the mango panna cotta. Okay, so these are the ingredients used in making the mango panna cotta. So we have here the 2 pieces mango, ripe mango. So it is already shredded. If you want it shredded or if you want it cubed, it is 2 pieces of mango. And then we have here the 1 cup of white sugar. Then 1.5 cup of milk, evaporated milk. And then we have here the condensed milk if you want it more sweeter. And then we have here the 8 cups of water. Okay, so if you want your gelatin is more firm, so you have to lessen the amount of water. And then we have here the 2 sachet of Mr. Gulaman powder. Okay, if you want more flavorful mango flavor, so you can use the flavored Mr. Gulaman, the mango flavored Mr. Gulaman. But if there is no available flavored Mr. Gulaman, you can use the unflavored Mr. Gulaman with yellow color. Okay, so and then it is optional. You can use cheese on your panna cotta. You have to top it with cheese. It is optional. But if you want more flavorful mango panna cotta, you can add cheese to your desserts. Okay, so these are the ingredients used in making the mango panna cotta. Okay, so let us now proceed to the step-by-step procedure in preparing or making the mango panna cotta. So let's start. First is you have to turn on the stove. Okay, so you have to boil the sugar and gulaman in 12 cups of water. Okay, so we are now putting the 1 cup of sugar in the water. And next is the 2 sachet of Mr. Gulaman powder. Okay, so next is you have to stir it constantly until it boils. Okay, so now let us add the milk. Let us add now the milk. And then next is the evaporated, the condensed milk. The first one is the condensed evaporated milk, and then now is the condensed milk. As now add the mango, the shredded mango. Now add the shredded mango. Then next, let us now turn off the gas stove. Okay, so here is now our gelatin. Okay, so let us now pour it into the mold. Okay, so you have to pour it slowly into the mold. Uy, wala na. Okay, so let us wait until our panna cotta set. Okay, after the panna cotta is already set or buo na siya, so we can now top it with the grated cheese. Okay, so here is now our mango panna cotta. Okay, so as you can see, it looks so yummy. It's so delicious. Okay, so after this, you can now chill it and serve it cold. Okay, so I hope you like this dessert to serve on your special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or any celebration or Valentine celebration or anything. I hope. Okay, this is now our finished product. Okay guys, so here is now our cold mango panna cotta. So yummy. Look. Okay, class. So after watching the demonstration, okay, so what do you think are the tools and equipment used in preparing panna cotta? Can you give one? Oh, Ayumi. Okay, very good. Casserole. Another one? Can you give another one? Okay, chopping board. For the last time. Okay, the knife. Very good. Okay. Any other hand? Okay, Russell, can you give 3 tools used in preparing panna cotta? Okay, very good. Wooden spoon. Next. Okay, the measuring spoon. What else? Okay, the measuring cup. Okay, very good. That you know the tools and equipments and the ingredients used in preparing the mango panna cotta. Okay, so what about the step-by-step procedure in preparing the mango panna cotta? Anybody from the group? What is the first step in preparing the mango panna cotta? Okay, Russell, what is the first step? Okay, so you have to turn on the gas stove. Okay? The second step. Okay? Ayumi? Okay, so the second step is you have to boil the sugar and gulaman in 12 cups of water. But remember, you can lesser the amount of water if you want your jelly to be more firm, okay, or firmer, okay? Remember that if you want it more firm, so you have to lessen the amount of water, okay? Is that clear? Okay, very good. What is the third step? Okay, so put the sugar on the water. Okay, so you have to add the gulaman powder. You have to stir it constantly while cooking until it boils. Okay? Remember that? what is the sixth step? Okay, Russell. Okay, so you have to add the evaporated milk. You have to add the condensed milk to add as sweeteners. Okay, so if you want it more sweet, okay, so you have to add more condensed milk aside from your sugar. Okay, so what is the eighth step? Okay, Crystal? Okay, so the eighth step is you have to add the mango. Okay, so the ripe mango. Okay, so you have to turn off the gas stove. Okay, so what about the 10th step? 10th step. Okay, so what is it? Anybody from the group? Okay, Luis, what is the 10th step? Okay, so for the 10th step, you have to start pouring the mixture slowly into the mold. Okay, until it set. Okay, is that clear? Okay, 11th step. Okay, Russell? Okay, so the 11th step is you have to top it with the grated cheese. Grated cheese is an optional ingredient. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to put or to top it with the grated cheese. So what is the last step? Okay, anybody from the group? Okay, so let us see. Okay, Ayumi, what is the last step? Okay, very good. Last step is you have to chill it, then you have to serve it cold. Okay? Hope that the tools, equipments, and the ingredients used in preparing panna cotta is clear to you. Okay? It's clear to everybody. Okay? And also the step-by-step procedure in preparing panna cotta. Okay? Is everything clear so far? Okay, very good. Okay, so now let us have a short quiz. Okay, so prepare for a short quiz. Okay, is everything clear so far? Okay, very good. So let us have now a short quiz. Okay, so the quiz is composed of test 1 and test 2. First test or the test 1, here is the direction. So you have to arrange the step-by-step procedure in preparing the mango panna cotta and just write the numbers 1 to 12. Okay, is that clear? Okay, very good. For test 2, you have to list down the tools and equipments and the ingredients used in preparing the mango panna cotta. Is that clear? Okay, very good. For your assignment, okay, you have to search on the different desserts and study the tools, equipments, and ingredients used in preparing the dessert. And also, you have to study the step-by-step procedure in preparing your desserts. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. I hope that you have learned something from today's discussion.